Hello, fellow educators. It's an honor to share this journey with you, a journey that celebrates the unique strengths and abilities of our special education students. Every student has the potential to learn and grow, and it's our privilege to guide them on this path. Let's explore some effective strategies that can make a world of difference. We can unlock their potential together. Many times, small changes can yield big results. We don't need to reinvent the wheel, but rather adjust our approach to better meet the needs of our students. Remember, a classroom that is successful for all students requires flexibility, creativity, and a deep understanding of their individual learning styles. Teaching is not a one-size-fits-all profession, especially when it comes to special education. By embracing diverse learning styles and individual needs, we create an environment where every student feels valued, understood, and empowered to succeed. Let's dive into some practical strategies that can help us achieve this goal. As educators, we know that clear communication is key, but for some of our students, processing verbal instructions can be challenging. That's where visual aids come in. Think of them as bridges connecting our words to their understanding. Charts, for example, can transform abstract concepts into concrete visuals. Imagine teaching fractions with colorful pie charts or illustrating historical timelines with engaging images. Suddenly, learning becomes much clearer and more engaging. Picture schedules are another powerful tool, especially for students who thrive on routine. By displaying a visual representation of the day's activities, we provide a sense of predictability and reduce anxiety. A simple picture of a book can signal reading time, while an image of a playground can represent recess. Flashcards are fantastic for reinforcing vocabulary, math facts, or any other key concepts. The combination of words and pictures creates strong memory associations, making learning more effective and enjoyable. Let's be honest, we all thrive on positive reinforcement, and our students are no exception. When we focus on recognizing and rewarding good behavior and academic achievements, we create a positive learning environment where students feel motivated and valued. Praise, a simple yet powerful tool, can work wonders. A genuine "well done," or "you're on the right track," can boost a student's confidence and encourage them to keep striving. Remember, specific praise is always more effective. Instead of saying "good job," try "I'm impressed with how neatly you wrote your letters." Don't underestimate the power of small rewards. Stickers, for instance, can be incredibly motivating, especially for younger students. Create a sticker chart where students earn stickers for completing assignments, following classroom rules, or exhibiting positive behavior. Rewards don't have to be tangible either. Extra free time, a chance to choose a classroom activity, or even a positive note sent home can be highly effective in reinforcing desired behaviors. Section 4. Every student, a unique puzzle piece. In the world of education, one size does not fit all. Each student comes to us with their own unique strengths, challenges, and learning styles. That's why individualized instruction is not just important, it's essential. Assessments play a crucial role in this process. By carefully observing our students and using a variety of assessment tools, we can gain valuable insights into their individual needs. We discover their strengths, identify areas where they need additional support, and determine the most effective teaching approaches for each student. Based on these assessments, we can develop personalized learning plans tailored to each student's unique profile. These plans outline specific learning goals, strategies, and accommodations that will help the student succeed. One-on-one support is invaluable, providing students with the individualized attention they need to grasp challenging concepts or practice new skills. Even short bursts of one-on-one time can make a significant difference in a student's progress. Technology, a powerful tool in our hands. Embracing technology in education opens up possibilities for all students, especially those with special needs. Interactive apps and tablets transform learning into an engaging adventure. Imagine teaching letter recognition through fun apps or providing individualized math practice. Technology caters to different learning styles and provides customized support. Interactive whiteboards bring lessons to life with videos and animations. Students struggling with traditional tasks find digital content more engaging. Technology is a powerful tool for communication and collaboration. Let's empower and inspire. As we conclude, remember the journey of a special education teacher is both challenging and rewarding. Be patient with your students and yourself. Progress may not always be linear, but every small step is a victory. Embrace creativity and adapt your strategies. Above all, believe in your students. Let's share our knowledge and create a world where every student shines brightly. Share your experiences and let's learn from each other. Remember, we're all in this together.